Namaskar. My name is Saurabh Nanda, and I wanted to share a few very exciting webinars that I'm going to be doing in the next few days. Starting with on Saturday, we are actually discussing how educators in Denmark, in Egypt, have been tackling the COVID-19 situation and making sure that the learning continues for their students. So we have invited Ms. Bettina Buchholz from Denmark and Mr. Abdel from Egypt so that they can tell us how different education systems, how different school systems in their respective countries, private, public, and so on, have been implementing technology and doing various things to make sure that education doesn't stop. And this will happen on the Approaching the New Normal Education Forum that a bunch of other amazing educators and myself we've created. So do tune in on 3:30 on Saturday on our YouTube channel to witness this amazing discussion. On Sunday, I am privileged to be invited by Principal Anupama Mehra and my ex-teachers Harminder Kaur ma'am and Louisa Pereira ma'am to address the students of Naval Children's School in Goa. Well, Naval Children's School used to be called the Naval Public School of Goa. That is where I studied. That is where I did my 10th and 11th. And it is one of the most memorable schools for me because of that particular age. I've done my schooling from 8 different schools. So that's an amazing moment for me, going back to the school that you studied from and talking to the children over there, reliving those memories. On Tuesday, I will be taking a cyberbullying session in the very famous and prestigious boarding school, the Lawrence School in Sanavar in Himachal Pradesh. Then on Wednesday, I will be taking another cyberbullying and cybersecurity session for the Indian school in Abu Dhabi. Now, that is going to be the first time I'm talking to Indian students outside India, but from within India. So that is what technology has enabled us to do, and that is what the COVID situation has made possible for a lot of things. So having said all this, I've also experienced that there is something called the Death by Webinar, which is happening for a lot of students. And I actually wanted to know from you as well. I mean, it's a humorous way of saying, death by webinar, because children are so overwhelmed. The students have been witnessing webinars on webinars, a lot of screen time, and trying to listen to somebody from far away. So it becomes monotonous. And I wanted to know from you guys, because I'm very sure that all of you must have been involved in some kind of Zoom meeting or something where you had to either teach something or learn something or discuss something. How can we make these conversations more relevant, more engaging? So please mention it in the comments below and let's have a healthy discussion about it. Thank you so much.